Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the website development services that I have been working on. So if you want to turn your business into a meaningful website, and if you want to expand your business online, so you can reach me out where I can be helpful for you to create a customized website design with your pages, your contact details, and the products, maybe, or maybe the services that you are having currently. So I can serve them on online. So I have many websites developed. Let me show you some of the examples. So here, this one is the recent example that I have just developed for one of my client who is a civil engineering consultant, and they have provided me some of the beautiful photographs, and this one is their homepage, and these two buttons will provide their capabilities. This one is the photograph, then our history, and these all are the services that they are currently having the construction. So road, highways, 3D modeling, drafting. This one is our project gallery. This one is the trusting of clients, their clients currently which they are working for. And these are their professional membership and registrations. The next page for their story, how they develop and this is how they develop from their history. So this is the beautiful website, a professional website that I have created from them. And this is another page about them. Then the capabilities section, which has photographs about their services, what they are doing in the detailed part, more detailed part, and there is a PDF brochure. So once I click on this one, this button, brochure will gets displayed. It's downloaded. So this brochure is also I have created for them because they require for their businesses. So I also create a brochure. So if you are looking for brochure development as well, so I can be helpful for you. So this one is the first website. This one is their projects. And once I click the projects, they are the photographs enlisted. And also this website is a mobile friendly. So once you open up the website in the mobile, you will definitely, this is the best viewed in mobile as well. So it's dynamic website. Then we have the news section as well. And if I click on read more, all of the news with the dates will represent the news. Also, I have been creating the older news as well. So this one is for the archive older news. This one is for May 2026. Today is July. So we have the July news. This one. So this one is the first website that I have just as a sample part I'm showing in this video. Next one is the fireworks website that I have been recently also created for one of my client, which still I'm working on. So they have their products listed. This is their homepage, and they are just working on them. Still with the photographs, but still, if you view this product, then this one is our products page where we have the filters. So if we want to filter it out for a certain product, we can just filter for the brand Raccoon. All the products just related to the Raccoon brand will display it over here. If I click on the particular product, this is their product, and then we have their details, the product code, packaging, pricing, etc. Some of the products as well as the video as well. Let me see. Think Still, I don't know which one has the videos, but some of the products I mentioned the videos as well. So once we click on there, we have an option of viewing that product as on YouTube as well. So this one is the second website that I've been creating recently. This is their locations, and then this one is their about page. So this is the story, their core values, then the president. Then this one is their safety rules page, which is nothing about, but just this is a we want to mention it out on the website for the firecrackers. So just we need to make sure we are bursting the firecrackers on the safe place by reading all the instructions carefully, so that we are in a safe zone and having the firecrackers burst. And this page serves as a contact details. So we have a contact form here. Whoever visits their website, they can contact by providing their first name, last name, email address, phone number. Then we have a subject as well in the drop down. And once they click on this send message, they will definitely have a message in the email as an email. They have an email and they can just reach out using the information that the person has filled on this form. Then we have the contact details, the location, phone number, email, and the business hours. Then we have the map as well. So if I click on this location, I will just embedded the map. They will get their details. Frequently asked question. So this one is the sample that I've been showing you here. The third website that is again a sample. It's one of my client again, which I have been developed for their farms, which is located in United States. And they are dealing with the domestic livestock, goats. These all are their products. These all are the images with the information. And then on the below, we have a footer, which provides the detail about the Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, then the contact location, phone number, email, then some information about what they are doing. Then we have again another pages which is about us, our story and values, our team, commitment to quality, then core values, then our livestock. So these all are their livestock with the information. There are many products. So these all are their livestock, hay, grass, ducks. Then the transportation part, how they transport their services. So this page provides us the information about the transportation services. We have made this image as well, and then the commitment. Then again, we have a form here for request of transportation quotation. So we have used a Google form here where we are taking the email address, name, phone number. Then because they have a customized form, so we have put their type of animals, origin, location, destination, then additional details if they require. Once we click on this submit button, then that person will get the information about the request of transportation quotation. Then just once they receive the information, they will just call you back. So this is the sample. Then we have another page which is the contact details. So this is the contact details, and again we have a map as well. So this is all what about this video. So if you are looking for any customizations, or if you need a website for your business as well, or your services as well, so you can reach me out over my email address, and you can also WhatsApp me. Both of the contact details I will be sharing you in my the description part of this video. So you can reach me out, and I can provide you a beautiful professional website with all the customized details you require. So because every business has their custom areas of working. So once we just meet, then I can note your requirements, and once we log the requirements and the images, maybe if any, then we can just move out and make it happen. So for customization quotation part as well, you can reach me out, then we can just discuss more on that one. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video and the samples that I have shared you right now. So we can just discuss later on once we just connect. So thanks again, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.